Before starting hearing screenings, you always want to make sure that the transparent probe tip is clear and unblocked. So, in order to do that, you are going to remove that portion from the probe body, and you're going to use this visual inspection tool to basically make sure the canals are clear. You're going to insert it through the big end of the big opening, and there are 4 canals. And what you want to do is you make sure that you want to clean it out or to ensure that the openings are clear, and you repeat this process as needed for the remaining holes of this transparent probe tip. What's important to know about this visual inspection tool, it's designed to be used for this portion. Please do not insert the visual inspection tool in any portion of the actual probe body.